expect some more people to join in any moment. However, just conscious on the time, we would start as of now, and then we'll catch up as we go. So the first one that we want to start with is the Children's Day celebrations that has a Children's Day sports event that has happened. So there are a lot of participation from the kids, around 80 to 85 people kids have joined at various age groups. And so this is a tremendous turnaround, and they had performed really well in the sports domain. So we would want to take this opportunity to give the do a prize distribution. So I call upon Kutup uncle to come forward, please. Thank you, Kutup uncle, for coming along. I would request you to hand over the prize for the kids who have performed, who have won in the sports event. Yeah. So I'll call upon the names and the age groups and the event that they have participated and the prize that they have won. So it would be good if the kids come forward and take the medals from Kutup uncle.
Thank you, Murli. Thank you, Murli, for giving me this great opportunity. And I would like to enjoy this prize distribution with our children. Let us have a start with this great occasion. Thank you very much, one for all. And before I start, I wish each and everyone a very happy New Year. Years to come. Thank you.
So as I call the names, I would like kids to come forward, please. So we had the various events that have happened to various age groups, starting from 3 to 5 to 16. So we had about 106 prizes to be given away today. So I call the first Chirag Sethi and Pranav to come forward, the age group 3 to 5 for the event Lemon and Spoon. They won the bronze award.
Chirag Sethi.
Chirag and Pranav. For the second one, for the silver, Melinda. That way. And the first gold goes to KS Pranav. For the age category 3 to 5, for the event Water in the Bucket for the girls, the third prize goes to, the bronze goes to Ira. And silver goes to Melinda. And the gold goes to Trisha. For the bucket and water in the bucket for the age group 3 to 5 and a boys category, the third prize goes to Chirag Sethi. The silver goes to Siddharth, 3 to 5 years. And the gold goes to KS Pranav. 3 to 5 years running, girls. Bronze goes to Trisha. And the second silver goes to Ira. Looks like a twins. And the first gold goes to Melinda. In the running boys under 3 to 5 years, bronze goes to Chirag Sethi. Yes, he's not there. And silver goes to KS Pranav.
चिराग सेठी is coming now. चिराग को लेके आओ, चिराग को. Already.
And the gold goes to Anand.
आ जाओ चिराग. इसका सारा प्राइस दे दो. चिराग का 3 प्राइस.
Chirag, come here. I want to give you one prize.
चलो.
Hi.
बाकी 2 भी दे दो.
And Chirag has also won lemon and spoon bronze. Chirag has also won water in the bucket bronze.
हाय.
Oh, look properly. चीज बोलो.
अरे तुम्हारा प्राइस मिल रहा है. तुम इतना खेला उस दिन.
चीज बोलो. चीज बोलो. अंदर फोटो खींचो. चीज बोलो. ऐसे दिखा के खींचो. दिखा के. रुको, one more मिलेगा अभी. अभी 2 more. Oh wow. Oh wow. 3. Click your photo.
And do we have KS Pranav for the silver?
Come, I'll click your one photo. Come here.
Go ahead.
And the gold goes to Anand for running boys under 3 to 5 years. The next category, the participation for in the 3 to 5 years for boys goes to Arnav.
अर्नव.
Come.
And Adira.
अदीरा also.
I think her mother can come and collect on behalf of Adira.
Mother can come and collect behalf.
Okay, we'll give one she's here. Okay.
Come. Thank you. Congratulations.
Lemon and spoon under age category 5 to 7 girls. Bronze goes to Siddhi Santosh.
Siddhi, look here.
Look this side.
बेटा.
Look that side.
आ जाओ.
And the silver goes to Meghana.
Meghna?
देखना नहीं है.
And gold goes to Shasha.
Sasha.
Sasha is there. Sasha is there.
Come बेटा, come here front. Oh, hold.
Under 5, age group 5 to 7, lemon and spoon boys. Bronze goes to Siddharth.
Siddharth. Sorry. Sidhu. Siddharth here. Siddharth.
And the silver goes to Ajay.
Ajay. Ajay, it's side chudama. Ajay, look here after that.
Look there. Congratulations.
And the gold goes to Prakrut.
Prakrut. Prakrut, see here, ma.
And under
Prakrut,
age
illi.
category 5 to 7, for girls, water in the bucket event, the bronze goes to Avantika.
Avantika, go ahead.
And the silver goes to Siddhi.
सिद्धि बेटा उस तरफ जाओ. इधर turn this side.
And the gold goes to Shasha.
Sasha once again. Hey, claps, man. Nobody's clapping.
Yeah, guys, I need everybody to give a big hand
Big round
of applause.
children.
The kids have spent
Sasha here.
the entire day on the sports event, very competitive under the hot sun. So they deserve a big round of applause. And the water in the bucket for the boys, in the boys category under age 5 to 7, the third bronze goes to Aryan.
आर्यन ठाकुर. जाओ आगे जाओ. इधर आर्यन. आर्यन.
And the silver goes to Mihir.
Mihir, this side बेटा.
And the gold goes to Ajay. And the under age category 5 to 7 running event under girls, the bronze goes to Shasha.
How many you are getting? Huh? Here she's come.
Yeah, she's
And the silver goes to Meghna.
Meghna is not there.
And the gold goes to Siddhi.
Siddhi. Siddhu once again.
And I heard from her parents that this is the first gold that she has won in her life. And that's the
Siddhi.
beginning. Well done, Siddhi. Under 5 to 7 category, running boys, third prize. The bronze goes to Mihir.
Don't be shy, man. Show me your face. Smiling face. Here. Here.
And the silver goes to Siddharth.
Siddharth.
And the gold goes to Ajay.
Ajay, once again.
Now we are moving into age category 8 to 10. Sack race for girls. A bronze goes to Shreya Mahajan. And the silver goes to Aditi.
Aditi.
And the gold goes to Anushka.
Aditi, look here.
Anushka is there.
For the sack race, boys, under age category 8 to 10, third prize is shared between Pranav and Manu.
Pranav. Manu.
The bronze goes to them.
Pranav, where is Pranav? Manu, where is
Give her only the Pranav's medal.
And the silver goes to Sriram.
Shriram?
Sriram. No claps, man.
And guys, come on, Lakeshore can do better. Give them a big round of applause, please. And the gold goes to Yashish Hira.